Okay, this week I learned a lot of really interesting things by watching the videos about Google. One thing I learned is you can go to Google Image, or Google Images, and you can take, say I have this picture on that I took, and I can't really remember exactly where we were when I took that picture. Alright, there it's uploading. So I'm going to put it in the Google Images. Okay, I just paused that for a minute because it took a really long time for that image to upload, and I didn't want you to have to wait for that. So what I put the image in the search Google image, and then it popped up and it tells me that this is the Saint Chapelle de Vincennes. It's a castle right outside of Paris. And so then I can look on here and I can see the image that I put in there, and then I can also look at a whole bunch of other images of that location, and it'll give me just a lot of different images of the same location. So I thought that was really interesting. Okay, and then I can go back and I can get off of Google. Oh shoot, gosh darn it, hang on, let me pause it. Okay, so now what I can also do is I can Google Leonardo da Vinci. I can Google Leonardo da Vinci, and there he pops up. And then I can go to books. I'm going to find a lot of books, of course, that would be on Leonardo da Vinci. But then I can go to settings, and I can go to advanced search. And say I wanted to look for Leonardo da Vinci books that were maybe written before, let's say if I wanted to look for Leonardo da Vinci books that were written from 1800 to 1900, and I could search that, and I wanted to have them only be, let me see, I only wanted them to be in English, and I could do that search. And I could find all these books that were written in 1898, in 1802. And on here, when I click on here, I can actually have the whole book. The whole book is right here, so I can read the entire book if I wanted to right here from Google. It's a little slow at loading, but I can read the entire book should I want to. It's all right here. Okay, then I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, then I come back to Google, and I am going to Google Eiffel Tower images. So I'm going to Google Eiffel Tower images, but I don't want just Eiffel Tower images. Maybe I just want to look at, click on tools, I come over here to anytime, and maybe I just want to look at the Eiffel Tower images from this past week. So there are my images from this past week. And I can go back, and I can see this one's from 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago. There's another one, same guy, from 5 days ago. So I thought that was really interesting that you could get really specific on them. And those are 3 things that I learned about Google this week.